Now we're going to take a look at billing by contract and having it bill a gross amount. Let's go up to the main menu and to contracts. Alright, this one's already been set up, but the gross is 0. And this next one here, that is a billing by contract. And we will get that all set up now and show you how the gross works. Alright, billing by contract indicated by the dot right there, and I'll click on the billing segment button, and then I'll click on add, and we're going to use the wizard to do all the calculations for us. Now in the wizard we start off with the net amount, and that is the value to the station. If there was any portion of that was trade, it would be shown there, and it will never be higher than the net amount. The net amount includes all trade and all cash, whether it's 50-50, 100% trade, or 0 trade. Two ways to put in the gross total. You put in the amount here if you already know it, but in our case we are going to put in 15. So that's a 15% commission that's going to be added to the net amount. And this contract is ending on 4/11, so it's going to be 7 billing segments. Put that in there. It's going to be monthly, and we're going to start off on the 1st of November. And I don't need to put the year in, it's always going to assume it's the current year. So I hit tab, and there is 2010. So it's all set up now. You'll see that the gross total is increased from the net amount. We're going to be sending out in 7 invoices a total amount of $10,896.25 to the ad agency. They're going to bill that amount in 7 invoices to the advertiser. The advertiser pays them that total amount. Then the ad agency will take their commission, their 15%, and pay the station the $9,475. That is why we call it the net amount. All right, we're going to create these 7 billing segments right now by clicking OK. And there you see the last one is going to be the 1st of May, since the spots will end in the early part of April. All right, now when I close this, here we find all 7 of the billing segments. It gives you the net amount. That's what the station's going to get from it. And here's the gross amount. So that's what the billing is going to be to the ad agency and to the from the ad agency to the advertiser, paid back to the ad agency, and the ad agency will then take its commission and send the net amount to the station. So that's the way that works. Invoice numbers are created by the system automatically, and whenever anything is posted to invoices, it will show up here. Now, there is a discrepancy. When you see all this in red, that simply means that when we divided the total amount by 7, it couldn't do it exactly. So what you see here is a net amount that is slightly less, 1 penny less, than the total spots right up here. So the only way to really correct that is to increase one of these net amount billing segments by 1 cent. So here we're going to do that, and I bring up the first one. I click that, and so we're going to change the 57 to 58. And then when I save it and close it, notice it says 1353.58. We can alert the advertiser that due to the way it rounds in chopping it up into 7 equal payments, it's going to be just 1 penny off. The first invoice will be 1 penny higher. The rest of them will be all the same. And now you notice over here there's no more red. It is in black, which means it is now balanced. So that is how you would set up your billing segments for gross billing through an ad agency.